Okay, this is question 11, and it's the last question in the homework that I gave you. Okay, let's work our way through. So W, X, Y, Z are points on a circle. W, X, Y, Z. And actually this makes up a cyclic quadrilateral, doesn't it? Because all 4 points are on the circumference. Notice that this is not a cyclic quadrilateral here, because not all 4 points are on the circumference. This one's in the center. So we've got a center O, so that makes these radii and means that these two are equal. So these two lengths here are equal. And it tells you that with xy equals yz. Oh no, that's telling you that these two are also equal lengths. I certainly don't look it, but it's not drawn accurately, so that's fine. Write down the size of angle XWZ. XWZ, well that's this one up here. And what do we know about cyclic quadrilaterals? Well, the opposite angles add to 180. So answer is 50 degrees. And the reason is that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180 degrees. Work out the size of angle OZY. OZY. So that's this one here. Let's just write this one in 50 degrees first. And we're trying to find this angle here. Well, once we've got this 50 degrees here, assuming that we've got a chord here, the angle subtended from the chord to the center here is twice this. So this is 100. It's 100 degrees there. And we can certainly write that in as a reason, which is what you should do, because it says give reasons. So XOZ is 100 degrees, and that reason is that angles subtended from a chord to the center are double that to the circumference. Okay, so that's got that. Now we can now find this and this angle. Well, we can find those because we know that this is a isosceles triangle. So, and therefore these two angles must be shared equally, and therefore they must be 25 each, because 180 degrees minus 130 is 50, and these are half each. So we can write that down. So y, x, z must be the same as y, z, x, which are 180 minus 130 over 2, which is 50 over 2, which is 25 degrees, and isosceles triangle and we can do the same thing here. So this angle here and here are easily found, because we can do, this is 100, so the whole triangle is 180, so these two share 80, so these are 40 each. That's 40, this is 40, this is 25, remember, 25. So this entire angle is 40 plus 25, which is 65. Let's just explain that 40 first. So that's OZX. OZX, which is the same as OXZ, is 180 minus 100 over 2, which is 40 degrees. Again, that's isosceles triangle. And once we've got that, we can therefore say that the angle that we need, which is XWZ, beg your pardon, OZY. So that's OZY is 40 plus 25. OZY is 40 plus 25, which is 65 degrees.